This channel is for educational purposes only. Nothing shared here is financial, legal, tax, trucking, safety, or business advice. Always do your own research and consult with qualified professionals. Any decisions you make are at your own risks. Some links may be affiliate links, which may earn me a commission at no extra cost to you. Welcome back to Diesel to Dividends. The defense investment landscape has entered a structural industrial supercycle. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act creates a $1 trillion floor. Please like and subscribe. This act front-loads munitions and research for the 2026 budget. The legislation provides a stable demand signal for the sector. This floor functions as a subsidized insurance policy on value. Capital collapse in the drone base has been virtually eliminated. Higher leverage derivatives can now capture the inevitable re-rating. Modernization includes $113 billion for high-burn assets. Research and development secures dominance in autonomous systems. The environment favors high-endurance uncrewed systems. These systems solve the mass requirements of modern conflict. The Replicator Initiative and Safer Skies Act drive this cycle. Replicator creates an imperative for domestic sourcing. This marginalizes legacy primes in favor of agile hardware providers. Red Cat Holdings is a compelling candidate for growth. Their domestic sourcing advantage serves as a regulatory moat. The Black Widow drone recently secured a major NATO order. This validates international demand for their solutions. Revenue surged nearly 2,000% in late 2025. The company is expanding manufacturing capacity by 500%. Red Cat is positioned for a sustainable revenue base. Please like and subscribe. The Safer Skies Act allocates $4 billion to drone defense. This creates a massive secondary market for law enforcement. FEMA grants prioritize national security events like the World Cup. Demand for uncrewed defense persists far beyond the front lines. Amprius Holdings and Kratos Defense have built massive capital moats. These backlogs provide a valuation floor for aggressive allocation. Amprius Holdings has a $1.5 billion war chest. This liquidity facilitates an aggressive acquisition strategy. They are acquiring firms for cyber defense and tactical vehicles. Amprius uses Palantir technology to define the software battlefield. They are targeting $375 million in revenue. Kratos Defense offers quality growth with a massive backlog. The Valkyrie drone provides a high-conviction path to growth. Valkyrie production is scaling to 40 aircraft annually. A sole-source hypersonic contract is expected by late 2026. The equity is currently mispriced relative to its certainty. A synthetic long strategy exploits the delta in Kratos pricing. This provides exposure with minimal upfront capital. The backlog serves as a rigid valuation floor. Any temporary price dip triggers an accumulation phase. This is house money positioning in hypersonic scaling. Bull call spreads are used to leverage volatility in Amprius. This strategy avoids the risks of high implied volatility. A spread captures the recovery to institutional entry points. The goal is to subsidize long-term options using high volatility. This structure benefits from the projected revenue surge. It strictly limits capital at risk from volatility traps. The supercycle is predicated on silicon anode technology. Amprius Technologies creates a structural moat against competitors. They use an asset-light model to scale manufacturing. Their platforms represent the next-generation battery ecosystem. Silicon anodes offer much higher energy density than graphite. They enable charge times of less than 6 minutes. Amprius is fully compliant with national defense standards. They are one of many beneficiaries of the $1 trillion budget. This technology enables missions once considered impractical. Thank you for watching Diesel to Dividends.